5 simple ways to avoid debt. One of the steps in building a solid financial foundation is to eliminate debt. Control your debt or debt will control you. Debt can turn into a disease. It could control your life, diminish your happiness, and limit your freedom. Getting out of debt may be one of the hardest things to do and takes a lot of effort and time. But you must fight to do it. There is no easy way. You have to give up something to get something. Ganun naman talaga, di ba? In this video, I want to share these 5 simple ways to avoid debt. Let's go to the first one. Don't get more debt. Live below your means. Learn to control yourself and budget your expenses. Avoid going to malls lalong-lalo na kung may mga sale. Temptation ito sa iyo to use your credit card. Avoid also shopping online since it is easy to input your credit card details and boom, you get more debts pa. Avoid traveling when you don't have fund yet for it. Mag-ipon ka muna bago mag-travel. Mas masarap mag-travel kung hindi galing sa utang ang pinang-travel mo. May nabasa nga ako sa social media ang sabi, nangutang, nag-travel, nag-post, siya pa ang feeling blessed. Hindi naman masamang mag-enjoy paminsan-minsan, but we should do it, right? Second is, use cash, debit, or prepaid cards. When you are going to malls or stores, don't bring your credit card with you. Kasi nandun yung feeling na may plastic money kang dala at napakadaling swipe kapag may gusto kang bilhin na hindi naman kailangan. I suggest to just bring enough cash for the things that you are going to buy para maiwasan ang pag-swipe ng credit card. Huwag tayo magpapadala sa mga marketing strategy na buy now, pay later. Madalas din nating makita yung 0% installment. The truth here is may mga hidden charges din ito. Business is business. We have to be wise then. Third one is buy only for what is necessary. Nung natutunan ko mag-save ng money, the only time lang na pumupunta ako ng mall is when I have to buy something that I really need. You know what you need, di ba? Pay only for what you need like food, clothing, mortgage, investment, insurance, and other expenses. Cut out unnecessary expenses like cable, new gadgets, new shoes, eating out, partying, and many more. Suggestion ko din sa mga madalas mag-grocery, huwag kayong mag-grocery ng gutom to avoid buying things you don't need and follow what's on your grocery list. You may be mad at me now, but it's for your own sake and it will help you a lot. Let us make our life simple. Fourth, contact your creditor. Kung isa ka sa mga naging biktima ng sobrang paggamit ng credit card, but you don't want to cut your credit card because you wanna use it for convenience like booking a flight, you should contact your creditor and ask them to freeze the credit limit and tell them not to offer you other credit card anymore. Taktika din ng mga credit card company ang taasan ng credit limit mo para may chance ka pa na gamitin ito. Ang tendency tuloy, mas napapagastos ka. Aminin mo na, di ba? Di mo namamalayan, max out mo na pala ang credit card limit mo. If you know yourself and you know that you cannot control yourself, ito ang first step para pigilan ng sarili sa paggastos ng sobra. Ask to freeze your credit limit. Let's go to the last one. Stop using credit card. Kung talagang gusto mong madisiplina ang sarili at di mo kaya makontrol ang paggamit ng credit card, might as well pakat mo na lang ito and choose to live simply. Mabuti nang i-give up ang convenience, wag lang mabaon sa utang because of not having self-control. Stop using your credit card and live a simple life para walang worry. We believe that you can never be free until you are debt-free. To know more about it, just click the link below this video. Again, this is Nel Sembrano from Pinoy Millionaire Mind Club. I hope you learned something from this video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my FB page, visit my website, and email me if you have further questions. Remember, Pinoy, you have a millionaire mind. Gamitin po natin. Bye!